Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of yellow teeth. Number 1. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is said to remove plaques and bacteria from the mouth, which help to whiten teeth. Always shop for a high quality organic oil which you can purchase online that doesn't contain harmful ingredients. Swish 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 30 minutes. Don't let the oil touch the back of your throat. Don't swallow the oil as it contains toxins and bacteria from your mouth. Spit into the toilet or a waste paper basket as it could clog drains. Rinse your mouth with water and then drink a full glass of water. Then brush your teeth. There are no specific studies that confirm the teeth whitening effect of oil pulling. However, a 2015 study found that oil pulling using sesame oil and sunflower oil reduced gingivitis caused by plaque. Oil pulling could have whitening effect on teeth as plaque buildup can cause teeth to turn yellow. Further studies on the effect of oil pulling with coconut oil are needed. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in very small amounts to whiten teeth. Make a mouthwash by mixing 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swish the solution for 30 seconds. Then rinse with water and brush your teeth. Research published in 2014 found that apple cider vinegar has bleaching effect on cow teeth. However, it should be noted that it has the potential to cause damage to the hardness and surface structure of teeth, so use it with caution and only use it for short amounts of time. More human studies are needed to explain open these findings.